At first glance, this might look like nothing more than a pile of jagged, useless scrap metal, destined for a landfill. But in the hands of a master craftsman, these rusty, discarded pieces are about to undergo a legendary and high-stakes transformation. The journey begins with the critical phase of unity, where he meticulously binds these individual fragments together with wire. Because he isn't just melting down old metal, he is fusing them into one solid, glowing soul of steel. As the furnace roars, every single strike of the heavy hammer in this intense heat is a calculated, rhythmic move designed to compress the air out and ensure the final blade becomes as strong and resilient as any high-end factory-made tool you can buy. Watch closely as the glowing red-hot steel begins to curve through a delicate and dangerous dance between the anvil and the hammer. A process where raw, chaotic metal slowly evolves into a traditional masterpiece, built for both extreme power and perfect balance. Now, we transition from the punishing heat of the fire to the high-speed friction of the grind, where bright sparks fly in every direction and rough, blackened edges disappear to reveal a breathtaking, mirror-like finish hidden beneath the surface. But a world-class blade is absolutely nothing without its grip, so he takes the time to custom fit a hand-carved wooden handle. Using a perfect heat-shrunk fit technique that has survived through centuries of tradition and hard labor. From a handful of dangerous, jagged trash to a razor-sharp cinematic masterpiece, this isn't just a simple recycling project. It is a complete resurrection of ancient craftsmanship that proves pure talent and grit can turn any waste into a functional treasure. If you truly appreciate the incredible hard work and the spirit of innovation behind this transformation, don't forget to hit that like button and let us know in the comments exactly what you would use a custom forged blade like this for in your daily life.